Hey guys, check out this bad boy Salem 32-foot. Big outside kitchen. Comes with a grill on the back. You got a sink with hot and cold water. If you look under here, you got JT strong arms. Extra support bars, so when your jacks are down, they give you a socket for those. So you stick them in your house drill, run them down. And those are just for some extra support. Keeps it extra sturdy and straight when you guys are set up at your campsite or your property. This camper's not gonna rock around and shake all over. All right, let's step inside. Got these nice solid steps. They're adjustable just in case you need to, depending on your site. Got the big fridge in this one. You got a pantry in here. You got more storage on this side. Big closet. Drawers down there. This is the Versa Lounge. So it flips around from a U-shaped dinette into an L-shaped sofa. So if you want to lounge here, watch TV, or if it's time to eat, flip that back around. Very easy to work with. You can put a 55-inch TV in this model. A couple of the models you can. Some of them are like 42 just to be safe. It's got a Bluetooth soundbar, the Fireplace. Fireplace does produce heat if you want it to, or it's for sale. I don't know where the totes are, but I definitely gotta get some. But yeah, this would normally come with some totes. Maybe this model is sold. I do have another one just in case. Yeah, nice area back here. That bunk pulls down. That is a chalkboard right there. Kind of nice for the kids, keep the kids busy. But this couch here pulls down also, and it's got a gel top built into it. So 2 queen beds. Nice square shower. In and out of the bathroom from the outside. All right. Thank you guys so much.